to be honest, hadn't thought much about the future at all before going to the evening session. But when I started to look at it, the first little bit was, we're in trouble. Like there wasn't a lot of future
Scary.
immediately visible to us.
Yeah, it's quite scary.
I think we saw a vision, like outside of that immediate, oh crap. There was a vision, and getting there was probably a lot easier.
Yep.
I'd read some books and stuff like that, but it always seemed like too hard, and
You
just
didn't
kind
know
of
what
went with it.
steps to take or anything.
Meeting Tim and subsequently the team, I started to see like workable steps that you could go through.
Yeah.
It was like, it's been great. It's been fantastic. Obviously, we're in a much better position now financially. My super is a hell of a lot more secure, because that was always something that was niggling at me, and I've managed to secure Mel's super in the process. It was always kind of a flip of a coin whether we were going to make any money. Now I know that in the long term it's going to grow and it's going to be fine.
It's just been easy.
Yeah, it's been easy, definitely. Look, it looks positive. It looks really positive, and I suppose especially every time we get in contact with you guys, there's a little bit more revealed and a little bit more.
That we can do.
Yeah, a little bit more positivity, a little bit more vision. So. Absolutely, I already do.
Yeah.
And for the same reason, like, a lot of the people that I work with and a lot of our friends and even my family, they kind of talk about their finances like they're dead. And then, I can just go and have a chat to these guys, and they can reveal something to you that you don't see about your own future. So definitely.
Cool.